of popular music. There'll be light, and then there's pop. Music, all day on the new BBC Popular Channel 247.
But now, with the clock ticking slowly up to 7 a.m., it's going to be time to welcome Radio 1's first early show on 247 meters medium wave. Radio 1, go!
The voice of Radio 1.
I like you always at this time in the morning to exercise your kneecaps. Now, we should all do this. And just hear mine. I've got lovely kneecaps. Just listen to this. They're nice, aren't they? There, I come on, rattle them around. That's it. Just get your kneecaps out of bed. If they need a bit of oiling, then just give them a quick one under the joint there. That's the thing.
Happened there. We're supposed to have a little jingle, you see, that comes charging in and says it's Wednesday and it's sounds of the 70s, and tonight it's Dancing Jack Peel is what it's supposed to say, but I'll tell you what, we'll do it now.
Radio 1 on 247 meters and VHF with sounds of the 70s.
Radio 1.
Tonight, Top Gear with John Peel.
A fine start, I think, you'll agree, to practically any programme. On this week's programme we have Ralph McTell, Home and Stackbridge.
If you're a medium wave listener, 247 meters, that's 1215 kilohertz, goodness knows what will come out of your set when you switch on tomorrow morning.
BBC Radio 3, now broadcasting on medium wave on 1215 kilohertz, that's 247 meters. Now, the lovely Princess Radio 3 has been asleep, awaiting the prince who will come through the thickets of frequencies and wavelengths. Electronic foliage tendrilling in and out of jack fields all over the country. And now the Lilac Fairy has done her stuff again and guided you through all the obstacles put in your way and brought you to the land at the other end of the cyclorama. Wonderful 247 meters.
He's going to have a fifth to silly point, forward short leg. He's got a long leg. This is for the left-handed guy. A mid-wicket, a mid-on, a mid-off, extra cover, and a point.
Hello to everyone here in Manchester and across the UK. It's 12:15 on Friday, April 30th, 1993. A date which will go down, we hope, in broadcasting history. I'm Richard Branson, and this is the radio station I've always wanted to hear. I hope you'll find it the station you too have always wanted to hear.
Richard Skinner here. Good afternoon from Graham D. Nether. The Emperor Lasco at your service. And it's rather hard to believe, music lovers, right? Not hard. Good afternoon, Russell's here for another hour. We mean much more music, not just a glib phrase. It's complete intentions. I'm Howard Pearson. This is Richard Foster. My name is Shunker Pillary. It's Edward Systems Homes over here. I keep forgetting we're doing a show. You see, because I've been away so I think I'm just chatting with a couple of fools.
I'm Chris. This is John. Hi. This is Hall. Hello. This is Jamie. Hello. And this is Dan. Good morning.
This is Harriet Scott.
This is Mark Forrest. Night out with Pete and Jeff. The lovely Leanna Graham, accompanied as ever by her little puppet dog, Daisy.
This is Leanna Graham.
I've been used to saying something else, so just bear with me, Harriet. Virgin, 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 4:15, virgin, 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 Sleeping Breakfast Show, virgin, 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 virgin. Ian Lee.
How about rock and roll?
In 18 minutes, 20 minutes, we will be revealing exclusively what the new name for Virgin...
Well, get rid of it. It's like rubbish name, isn't it? All rubbish name for a station. But who thought of that? It's going. It's going to be a new name. Vinny.
Can't guess the radio name.
Oh, yeah, what do you think the radio station's going to be called?
It's not Virgin anymore, is it?
No, it's because that's right. That's the point. We're getting rid of it, yes.
It's Had Sex Radio.
Just give a second for the whole of the country to laugh at that.
10, 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Just coming to first at all. It's 7:47, the Christian O'Connell Breakfast Show on Absolute Radio. God, that feels brilliant. So we are now Absolute Radio. You can discover more at our website, of course, absoluteradio.co.uk. This was a song you all voted for to be #1 as it went from V to A. And what another brilliant song, another absolute classic.
One last thing. Have you considered writing me into your will?
I did consider it. Yeah, but you know what? I got f*** it. I got in the car and Absolute was on, and it was impression. I send you my compliments.
We've had a power cut, everyone! Yay! The generator isn't even switched on.
Nothing much to offer. There's nothing much to take. I'm an absolute beginner. But I'm absolutely sane. As long as we're together, the rest can go to hell. I absolutely love you. But we're absolute beginners. With eyes completely open, with nervous conviction. If I look across the mountains, feel the heartache, just like the winds. If there's reason to feel the hard times, to lay down the hard lines, it's absolutely so.
It's still Absolute Radio.
Absolute Radio continues to be the station where real music matters.
Join us on DAB Digital Radio.
On the free Absolute Radio app.
Or ask your smart speaker to play Absolute Radio.
All the information is at absoluteradio.co.uk/listen. And to 12:15 a.m, thanks. You were brilliant.
Absolute Radio is no longer